Hello, everyone. My name's Cameron. Currently, my major is going to be web design and development, emphasis on the development. Currently, I live in the state of Florida in the United States, and I guess to answer the question, preferred meeting time, as long as it's not on Tuesday nights, because I got a class meeting there, and obviously we got the Wednesday thing, so anytime besides those nights, I guess would be fine. Um, I don't have too much experience with web design, to be honest. Besides, I took a class in JavaScript. I think I did all right, except towards the end, but and then I did a little bit of the intro to CSS web design, etc., so forth. The intro class that was very helpful. So I'd say my experience is pretty minor and needs more work. I do, as for expectations, I hope to be able to learn a bit more of the CES side of web design, and the more the front end stuff, get a better grasp of that. That's the hope, at least. Again, since y'all probably listened this long, just know my hobbies involve anything with video games, anime, manga, and pretty much any role-playing game or board game, so lots of fun there. Either way, thanks for listening, and I look forward to working with all of you. God bless.